What's up, y'all? So in this video, my buddy built a front end and I'm going to show you guys how to use it to do airdrops on Magma Onyx TESTNET. Because as of right now, people who created testnet tokens just to play around with, they're not real. But the people who created testnet tokens who want to send their token to different addresses, to different wallets, they're doing it one by one. And using this method, using the front end that my friend built, you're able to do, I'm doing 1,000 per transaction, 1,000 different wallets per transaction. So I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. But before I jump into it, I want to just show you guys how effective this is. So you can see my token is the #1 token as far as holders on the test network of Magma Onyx. And you can see #1, and on the right side, you'll see the holder count. 137,765 different wallets hold my coin because I airdropped it to them. Now when you look at the #2 coin, they have a lot as well. They have 31,718 holders and they're using this airdrop method as well. We just told them about it and they're using it. They're having fun with it, but really we're the only two doing it right now. As you can see, the third coin, they have 6,000 holders, the fourth coin 4,000, fifth coin 2,000, and it starts dropping off because, like I said, people are doing them one by one. Takes too much time, takes too long, you know what I mean? So being able to airdrop in bulk, it's been fun. So I just wanted to show you guys this. Now I'm gonna shout out the homie who built it, which on Twitter he goes by Pond0x, and this is his profile right here. Now there's two things I want to show y'all really quick on his profile. The first one is his pinned post. If you look at his pinned tweet, you'll see he made a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this through Magma Scan, which is, you know, a lot safer. People trust Magma Scan, and you could do it this way without having to go directly onto his front end, which people, you know, are a little scared about. They're worried that there could be some scam or something to worry about like that, which is understandable. So if you come to his profile, check out his pinned post, and you can see how to do it step by step through Magma Scan. But if that gets a little too complicated or something like that, then I'm gonna show you guys how to go through his front end. But the second thing I wanted to show you guys is his link right here in his profile is github.com/Pond0x. It's his GitHub, and if you click on it and go to his GitHub right here popped up, you can see the Magma Sender. You click that, because that's what his front end is called, Magma Sender. Then it will bring you to this page right here, and we'll go ahead and click on index.html, and you can see his whole code, his code for the front end. So if you know someone who could verify this, you know what I mean? If, like I said, if you're worried that there could be something malicious in it, send this to anybody who knows how to read contracts, and they could verify it for you that there's nothing malicious about it. So I definitely encourage you guys to do this. Check up on it, do your research. Don't go any farther than this if you're worried about anything. Make sure what you're doing is safe, right? But let's say, you know, you got someone to verify it and people gave it the okay, said you're fine to use it, or you're just comfortable with going on with it, then all right, cool. Now let me show you guys how to get this started. All right, so we're right here on his front end. Like I said, it's called Magma Sender. The website is pond0x.github.io/Magma Sender. So if you want to give it a try, go ahead and type that in, or just ask me for the link or something. I'll probably DM it to you until this gets verified by more people and I feel more comfortable, you know, to put it out for everybody, because I don't want to get called a scammer. I don't want to get caught up in nothing like that. So I'm gonna be a little cautious on putting the link out there, but I'm showing you guys the process of, you know, I did it, I'm fine. Somebody else used it, they're fine. And the other person who used it, they said they reached out to a few people and they got the contract verified that it's okay, so they started using it too. But yeah, anyways, first step is to connect the wallet. Click connect wallet, let the MetaMask pop up, and if it's a little slow, I'm not sure if it's this website, I'm not sure if it's the Magma Onyx TESTNET, I'm not sure if it's my computer, I don't know. But if it's going a little slow for you, just be patient, let it load up, it will do its thing. Alright, and so there we go. Mine connected right away because I connected to this previously, but it's gonna ask you what wallet you want to use. You go ahead and confirm that wallet and then approve one more time to connect it. And you'll know when you're in because right here your wallet will pop up. Alright, now the next step is to enter your token contract address. You're gonna enter it in both of these, the same contract address where it says token contract address, and also in token contract address for dispersal. Both are gonna be your token's contract address. So we come back here to Magma Scan. We go to tokens, and you're gonna search by your name or however you want to find your token. For me, I'll just search up the ticker FUDK for the Fudkers. We're gonna go ahead and click that. Then once you get to this page right here, you'll see your contract address. Go ahead and copy the clipboard, go back to Magma Sender and enter in both of those fields. Boom. Now we want to enter the approval amount. In this right here, just click any number, it doesn't matter. I'll just type 9, but once you click approve token right here, MetaMask will pop back up and it's gonna ask you what's the max spending cap for this. I just click max, I do max. Maybe there's somebody out there that'll be like, don't do that, do only this amount, and I don't know. But for me, I click max and I go on to next. And now it wants to approve the spending cap. All right, now I'm approved and the little pop-up will come up right here. It says token approval successful. Okay, cool. We got our contract address in there. We approved the token spending amount. And now we need to put together a file of a whole bunch of different wallet addresses. For me, I'm doing 1,000 at a time. I've tried 12,000 at a time and it works about 50% of the time, and the other 50% it fails. So I just lowered it down to 1,000 per transaction, and it's been working just about every time. And if you don't have a file put together with all the wallets you want to send to, I'm going to show you guys how to go to a token that's already existing on the Ethereum network, how to download their holder list, and how to extract the wallet addresses from there so we could throw them in here 1,000 at a time. Alright, so first things first, I'm just going to use Dex Tools for this. There's a lot of different websites that are like Dex Tools. Just for this example, I'm going to use Dex Tools. And let's say I want to send all pork holders a little bit of my token. So we're going to search up pork right here. And usually the top one, or you'll see the one with the most liquidity, is going to be the actual coin. I know the contract address for this is 344E, or that's what it ends with, so I know this is the correct one. But do your homework. You want to make sure you're clicking the correct coin and getting the correct address and all that stuff, you know what I mean? But let's say you found the coin you want and now you're on this page right here. You're going to see the top portion with a bunch of little logos or emblems. You want to click that first one that says view contract. Then it will bring you to this page right here, and it will keep you on the transfers tab. To the right of the transfers tab is holders. You want to click on holders. Now you scroll down, and on the bottom right of the holders list, you're going to see this right here, download CSV. Go ahead and click that. Do the little process right here. You're not a robot, you're a human. Check the motorcycle. Cool, we'll do that real quick. Next, buses. I guess I got that wrong. I don't know what it considered. Like, this whole thing is a bus. Alright, cool, I'm not a robot. And then you download. Alright, now once you downloaded that file, we're going to come over to Google or whatever search engine you like using, and you're going to type in Google Sheets. Now for me, it's this first link. It says Google Sheets Online Spreadsheet Editor. Go ahead and click that, or whatever one it is for you. Just find the Sheets editor, and then come to the middle of the page where it says Go to Sheets, and then you're going to start a blank spreadsheet. Alright, now once that's loaded up, you're going to come up here to File, Import, and you're going to go to upload. Then you got to browse for that file we just downloaded. And once you upload it, you're going to go ahead and click import data. Alright, cool. Now this is what we have. For me, I like to expand the A column and delete all the other columns, because all we really want is the holder wallet address. And it's going to look something like this. So what I do is come up here to number 2 and say I want to start from the top all the way down to the bottom. We're going to do 1,000 at a time. So since I clicked on number 2 right here, I want to go down to 1001. Alright, now once you found 1001, now you're going to want to copy this and paste it in the Magma sender. So we click Control C to copy, go back to the sender app, Control V, paste. Now we have 1000 wallets right here that we're going to send to. Last thing we need to do is change the amount per recipient, and this is going to be how much each wallet is going to get from this airdrop. And so since this is just a test, I'm going to do 100 tokens. You could do 1 million, 10 billion, whatever you want, you know what I mean? That's on you. Have fun with it, learn, mess around with it. But alright, now we got everything set right here. We're going to go ahead and disperse tokens. So when you click that, MetaMask will pop up, let it load, and here it is. So we can see the estimated fees. It doesn't even show 1 cent worth of testnet money. It's fake, it's not real, you know what I mean? It's testnet fake lava, like Monopoly money. That's what we're playing with right here. Now we're going to go ahead and confirm this transaction, and boom. Once you click that, once it loads and does its thing, it will show you up here, token dispersal successful. Okay, and that was in a matter of a couple seconds it took to send all those. Now let's come over to the Magma. Hey, Cooper, Cooper, come here. My bad. Alright, and just to check to see the transactions that went through, we're gonna come back to the Magma testnet, refresh my page right here, and we can see 1 minute ago, a bunch of addresses got sent their tokens. Go to page 2, you know what I mean? 1 minute ago. So all 1000 got them within a matter of a few seconds of approving and confirming the transaction. So super quick, super cheap. Again, testnet money, but that's how it's gonna be on the mainnet. So cool. I just got the airdrop to 1,000 new wallet holders. All right, now one thing I really want to point out to y'all is this right here. I've done 158,983 transfers. I started off with 1 lava token on the testnet, and I still have over 0.5. It's like 0.55 something, I don't know, but 158,983 transfers, and I haven't even dug into half of a lava token on testnet. I can't wait for Magma to come out. It's gonna be exciting, it's gonna be dope. And of course, I just got to do one more flex, you know what I mean? Y'all know what the fuck it is. Shout out to the fuckers, #1 holders on the testnet right now. But we all know what the #1 meme coin on Magma is going to be. It's going to be pork, that's no doubt. But that's it, that's all. Hope you guys enjoy this, whoever decides to do this, you know what I mean? And if you're not comfortable with connecting to the front end, connecting the wallet, completely understandable. I get it, trust me. But like I said, verify it with some other people who know how to look at code and read code. And when you get the okay by them, cool. But yeah, that's all I had. It's all love, y'all. Nothing but noise is. Peace.